Today we're going to be making arroz con leche, or a Mexican rice pudding. Keep in mind every country and family has their own type of recipe, but this is how I learned it from my mother-in-law. First, I rinsed 1 cup of rice. I'm actually using jasmine rice, but any type of white long grain or medium grain rice will work. I added 4 cups of water and 1 cinnamon stick. Bring that to a boil. Once it becomes a boil, remove the lid and simmer it until the rice absorbs most of the water. This takes about 15 minutes. At this point, you can remove the cinnamon stick or leave it in there. And now I'm adding 1 can of evaporated milk and then give it a stir. And then I'm adding 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. So this is going to be the sweetener, so no extra sugar is needed for this recipe. So now I have 4 cups of whole milk. So keep in mind, this is a really creamy arroz con leche. If you like yours a little bit denser, then go ahead and reduce it to 3 cups. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of vanilla. Give that a stir, bring the heat back up to medium high, and then once it starts simmering, reduce it. Keep an eye on it because it will burn on the bottom of your pot. Keep stirring it every few minutes, but this process takes about 20 to 25 minutes until you get this consistency. And then very important, leave it alone for at least 30 minutes, and then it's gonna get even thicker. So I like to serve it warm, but you can also chill it in the refrigerator and serve it cold. You can add raisins, coconut. I'm adding a little bit more cinnamon on top, and it's just a nice, sweet, creamy treat that is perfect winter or summer because you can have it hot or cold. I hope you enjoy. Be sure to give this recipe a try, and I'll see you next time.